Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Airbnb. Whether you've recently gotten married, prefer a different display name, or simply want to update how you appear to hosts and guests, this process is quick and straightforward. First, open a web browser and navigate to Airbnb.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and type in your email and password, then click Continue to access your account. After signing in, click on your profile avatar in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From this menu, select Account to access your main account settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your Airbnb profile and preferences. Next, look for either Profile or Personal Info, depending on how your layout displays. Click on this option to open your profile settings. This section contains all the personal details associated with your account, including your display name, contact information, and profile photo. Once you're in your profile settings, find the section labeled Name and click Edit next to it. This will allow you to modify how your name appears to other users on the platform. In the field that appears, type your desired display name. Make sure it's something you're comfortable with, as this is what hosts and guests will see when interacting with you. After entering your new name, click Save to apply the change. It's a good idea to review your profile right away to confirm that the new display name is showing correctly. This ensures everything updated properly and appears exactly as you intended. If you want to be thorough, you can log out and log back in to make sure the changes have propagated across the entire site. Once you're satisfied, simply close your browser or return to the Airbnb homepage. And that's it. Your Airbnb account now displays your updated name. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.